until I plugged headphones in. Okay, so let me unmute this. Hello. Okay, so declone. Well, we're gonna change the name of declone today. It is no longer called declone, it is called accord. And the domain will be accord.app. This is the domain, and it costs like $110. But I thought it was worth it. Will be worth it. Yeah, that's where the money went. So this is the domain that it will be at instead of declone. Declone sounds like it doesn't sound too professional. So 1080. Okay, so this is it. Don't know how good the quality is. Should be, yeah, 720p. Should be more than that, but yeah. Okay, I think there's only one message in chat, just that's all I can see, so maybe I'll fix it. Okay. I don't know how good my chat updating is. Okay, so I added a submarine like thing. I'm gonna change the logo eventually. This is currently the default theme. I do not like this theme. I might change the default theme. We're gonna get a list of things to do, so we can't just list everything down. Like, we shouldn't just make an infinite list like the last videos, but that's what we did. So we are actually getting close to a release, an alpha release of Accord. So that is pretty cool. I'd like to read chat, but I don't see any messages on my second monitor, so I'm going to assume that there's no one watching. Oh, hold on. I can't hear you. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, I see why. Sorry. This should be better. Let's see. Okay, the desktop audio is gone. I think VLC sound meter is a bit off. Still no desktop audio. Oh, okay, hold on. Never mind. Okay, hopefully that's a bit better. We'll do 10. Okay, we'll do 10. Okay, so I'm actually gonna get up email because I did add 2FA. So I'm gonna get up email. Also, I did leak my an entire Gmail account on the repository, which is a mistake. So let me just disable that. It'll be bad if this gets hacked again. Yeah, I think someone actually did log into it, so but I don't think they actually did anything. There's nothing tied to this account as I believe. So we're just opening a Gmail account. Yeah. Okay. Confirm. Okay, sure. Okay, I guess this will do. Let me unmute. Okay, so here's the email. I'm going to show the email. Okay, this is not the email. But this is what the email looks like. And we're actually using the Pug template engine to render this. And we can log in automatically, but if we try that, the code has expired, so it's not going to allow that. So we need to actually log in. Now, I don't actually know if my... Yeah, so I did make an account called ADAMJR, but the password is not available here. So we're just going to make some new accounts. So we're going to call this Accord, no, not, Epic user. Yeah, so dclone should actually be called Accord. Now, there is actually another Discord clone called Accord. I only figured that out after paying $100 for the domain, so apologies to whoever made that Discord clone. It's probably good, but I think we'll take the name now. Sorry. Yeah, I also made a huge TOS. I used some random TOS generator. Now, I think the aim of Accord is to not be too strict. I think we're not really going to censor things like Discord. I think I'm just not going to look at whoever's doing bad illegal things on Discord. I'm not going to sit there and just censor them. I think we should like encourage privacy and security. So one of them's just no self-bots, which is obvious, no malware, mainly no malware and messing with the website. I don't know about this one, harming the opinion of the website, but there it is. What is number 15? The last episode was 11. And there's a playlist of all the live streams. And they're being unlisted, like after they are uploaded. I can make it public. But recently they're just unlisted. That's why. It's what some people do with streams. Hello, Vasil. Okay, so these docs are actually available here, and this will be the URL for the thing. And we're going to change the logo, obviously, to not be Discord. Okay. I'm going to use Epic Cat. No, Epic Kitten, there we go. I was gonna add a sign up with Discord, but it was gonna be a very pointless feature, so I didn't add it. Yeah, why not? Okay, so there's no 2FA because we don't need to specify what email we're using. Okay. That was scary. Okay, so chat, Hello no A, I think that's your name. I don't like this Discord theme. I think it's very Discord-like. It's a good theme, but I think Horizon could be good as well. Tell me which theme's the best. Yeah, there are like sounds on Accord which just make random, which are really loud. I think we might use Horizon as a default theme. Does anyone think we should do that? Hello. Should we make this theme right here? Sorry if that was too loud. Should we make this theme like the default theme? My avatar's a bit glitched. Okay, this is the new loading spinner thing. There we go. Just say if we should make this. Maybe I'll do a poll, like to make this the default theme, rather than the Discord theme or clone. This is the Horizon theme is basically based off this VS Code theme right here. Okay, the avatar's missing because I changed the API URL, so yeah. We're gonna add Epic Kitten as a friend. So this is what the Discord theme looks like. See if these features still work. Can you make a video on MongoDB and how to install for Visual Studio? Git comes with Visual Studio, MongoDB. I think I've done an installation video at some point. I think that was part of the course though. Okay. Okay, so there are a few problems here. So first of all, this account, first problem is this account email right here is to avoid a MongoDB error. We want to get rid of that, so that's what we're going to do first. Okay. So the problem is when I get rid of this, something will happen. Looks better than Gilded. It's just the theme colors, to be fair. Just carrying it. It's based on this extension. Hold on. Oh yeah. So /API. Okay, so this should be /API v1 and this should not be skipped. But we are skipping that for now because it's broken. Okay. Routes. API v1. Okay. You're good at coding. Okay, I don't know how to respond. Really. Where is this? Hold on. So only 2 are passing. We're trying to show that the email doesn't work. Off. Okay, there's an error here. So it's create users.create user. Okay, that's fine. Cool. Yeah, so wait. Did that just work? If I break something again, maybe. Okay, so if this works, then we can just, then we fixed it. Ah. Okay, so we fixed this problem where the email is wrong. So we're actually going to set the email to this so we can log in with it with 2FA. Oh. Okay. Let me just fix that. I don't know if there's a way to do this without leaking. Okay, that's fine. So it's no longer called dclone, but it's called accord now. What's so special about accord is that, let's see, no, define accord. So accord means be harmonious, that's the definition, and discord means lack of harmony, so it's kind of the opposite of discord. I thought that was pretty cool. We could have also used the name Concord, but we did not do that. I think accord sounds a bit better. Okay, so now we're using a different database. And these users are basically gone. So we're going to create them again. Don't know if it's okay. Bad request. Something is off. Wait, decline TOS. Okay, yeah, there are TOS now. I don't think it's easy to read, but I don't believe I can make a TOS without it being this hard to read, so basically the TOS is don't be malicious and things, and then don't use self-bots summarized. It's being very weird. Use accord. So it's made 2PG. Okay, so it's only made users so far. Let's see if it works after I do that. Okay, that is very annoying. Okay. Okay, so we're going to use this email or this account for the email. Let's go. Oh no. And it sends a... Oh. Okay. Oh no, it should send an email. Interesting. And then we verify the email here. It's being very weird. Oh, localhost 3000, it should not be. Did that work? Very interesting. Okay. Okay, well that doesn't show the full password, so we're fine. Obviously I'm not going to click on that, otherwise bad things will happen. Okay, so that basically goes to the wrong, like, it redirects incorrectly, so we don't want that. Hold on. Hello, is this for people to use? It will be. Okay, so it's redirecting on the API. That's not what we want. These are tested, by the way, but the tests don't work at the minute. So we want to do that. Three. Bad request. Okay, so I need to test them more. Did that work? What? Okay. Okay, so we'll just... It was working before the stream, but because I'm using a new account, it's being weird. Maybe I broke something. That's fine. We'll test that later. Okay, so this stream we're actually gonna do... We're actually gonna add invite management right now, so let's do that. So these invites right here. Broken OAuth 2. Okay, so we're just gonna have all the invites. Let's create one. Cool. That's supposed to be an invite right there. Okay, so we can just JSON this. And then we get the invite object. And now what we can do is we can have a div. We can have a rounded div. BG dark, background dark. Okay, I'll change the color in a minute. So we have one invite. Let's make another invite. So now we have two. Okay, so the invite does not have a name. I don't know why I thought it did. Do we have a zippy? We have a zippy. Let's see. This is what a zippy does, by the way. Let's just do this. So we can specify the title, which is invite ID. And then we can just specify the content. Hold on. Yeah. Guess that does it. And then we can have options down here, maybe. It's a unique system. We can have details, so we're going to have who created it. So we need to specify all of these. So okay. How I use Stream Chat. Where are you watching from, out of interest? I've never, I don't know where everyone is. I don't know where most viewers are from. I think they're from the US. Sometimes when I stream, the sky is white, and the sky is white right now. There's just clouds. One plus like, thank you, Adriano. So we need to actually get in the user service. Okay. Invite.inviter ID, I think it's called. Hold on. We also need to make this public so we can access it in the HTML component. And then it says created by backend sensor. And member username, I've broken something. Okay. Empty router, so // okay. Oh, that works. So this is who created it. I'm gonna put this in a div. And then we're gonna have the actions on the right, what they can do with it, like delete. So we're gonna have a delete button. I apologize also for this development taking so long. It is. I haven't actually spent that much time on it this week as I would like. So that's why we're doing that now. we have something. Big red button. Okay. So this will be for deleting it. So let's do that. So we're gonna have a, if they can hover, map tooltip, delete. Okay, so we have a thing called a settings sidebar. This was a refactor. Hello from Russia. Hello, Devil Firefox. Okay. So here we want to, if the user cannot access these channels, well, these settings even, then what we want to do is actually not show them, or just disable them. Okay, so we're just going to disable it. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so we just removed the router link. We're going to add a permission here, so what permission they need to access this. And this is just going to be a permission type. Any permission, permission. Maybe they don't need a permission to access them, so some of them won't need that. Okay, so permission. So here's where we specify all the like tabs for the sidebar. Okay, so obviously a user can do anything with their account if they're logged in, as they own it. So we don't need permissions there, just for guild tabs. Okay. So, well, to view the guild, we're going to need the manage guild permission, I believe. So for all of these, we need manage guild. Apart from manage roles, you can manage roles if you have that permission. Why did you not use React? Because at the time I only knew Angular. I still only know Angular. Oh. Hello from... Hold on. Hello from Denmark. Hello. Hello from The Hague. Hello, Alex. So we want manage guild here, if they want to do that. We also want bots, so that's also manage guild to add it. Invites, that is manage guild, and roles, that is manage roles. So router link, no, we're gonna have like class.disabled. Can you make it so you can create in Python? Do you mean a bot using this, or the entire app? So if they can access this tab, hold on, can access tab, tab dot, name, or just can access tab, hold on. Hello, I'm from Brazil. Okay. Hello. From Brazil. We've already made it in Node.js, so it's going to be made in Node.js. So we want the guild member for the guild, so what is the ID? The ID of the guild, okay. Right. Guild ID. Also, when we close it, we want the close redirect. Yeah, that's not this. So that's this.guild ID in this case. Hi, Andrew the cat. So when we close, we want to do this. Want to go to the redirect, which will be so guild ID or me, at me, and then wherever, hold on. Yeah. We go back to the guild ID when we close it, or we go back to, like, the user. Okay, so we're going to require user service. We're going to get a known user. No, this user. I am from Lithuania. Hello. So So everyone's from like all over the world. That's interesting. Okay. So we're gonna get the guild service as well, because we need to get the guild member. So we get the guild service, this guild ID. We actually can just do that. Can you maybe make a manual for Discord OAuth 2? I'll write that down. Maybe it will help with this Accord Discord OAuth 2. We might add that. And then it will make making this OAuth 2 easier, so that's not a bad idea. Not a guarantee though. I'll just consider it. I'll get member, this guild ID, user ID. Right. Yep. Do you make a new bot? You can make a new bot. We're doing invite management at the minute and guild management there. Oh, there's so many services. Oh, just has permission will do. Okay. Can access channel. We don't need can access. Do you need help with anything? Not at the minute. Thanks. Okay, so this has permission. So we get all the roles that the user has and we reduce them. We get all the permissions. It's pretty simple. And then we check if it has the permission. And the permission we just have. We don't even need the guild ID. We just need. Oh, we do. Yes, it gets self member will do. I think get guild will do as well. So we're gonna get the roles. And the permission is just any permission. So where the ID, so where the member.role IDs includes this role ID, and then we reduce, so Oh no. Filter. Hold on. Yeah, we're filtering. And then we're getting the total permission number, and then we're passing it to has permission. And that looks complete. It does not work for channel permissions. This is only if a user can do something in a guild. And we're missing one thing. Permission types .admin. Hold on, what operating system? Okay, that's not what we want. So it's Ubuntu basically. There we go. Okay. Now my main problem with Accord actually, my main concern is that Accord, the website isn't tested. The API is tested and it should be the most secure. So this means that bots are more likely to work than the website. The website's just like an interface to interact with the API. That's basically what a website is. Cannot find user ID. Hold on. So we don't even need permission service. Sorry, we don't even need guild service. Okay. I saw your past live streams a while ago and I couldn't wait to actually attend one. Welcome. It's because I don't stream too often recently. So sorry about that. So we just do tab.permission, that's it. And there we go. That's can access. We can do this. I think this is better actually. So if they cannot do it, then we just disable it. Yeah. Can send an operating system like I did. Hold on. Rebuild. I don't really understand. Manage guilds. Hold on. Message preview. This is a random place to get an error. so we actually want permission types. Send messages. Okay. I think I'm gonna refactor that. Because typing permission types is painful, so we're gonna have key of. We're gonna have like a type permission string. Key of. Okay, we're gonna put this in one of the types. We can give you web hosting. We already have web hosting planned. But it's fine for now. We've got it sorted. So general. So key of just means like this is a string like that. And so any of these. There we go. So we do permission types dot permission string, and let's sync this with the API. There we go. I kind of dislike Heroku. It's not the best. Not going to use it for declone. Probably get like, I think this is what I'm going to be using for declone. Not too impressive, but it currently hosts like 2PG and all of it. We'll boost your Discord server. It doesn't really need boosting, but thank you. Okay, so it's actually 4 gigabytes. Just giving them free promotion. Okay. We could like I don't know why this is here, to be honest. We don't need it. Okay. So now we just type this string. Okay, I did mess it up. Hold on. Hello, Lodex War. Welcome to the stream. Hello. Oh, hold on. 700 hours per month. Heroku. I believe it was 550 last time, but if they only do 700, wait, let's see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, 720 hours is how many hours is in a 30-day month. So that's like as much as you need for one 24/7 app. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so I didn't mess this up. TypeScript key of enum. He's just translated your project in Spanish. I don't know. Here. Is that a thing? Okay. That's not a thing apparently. So let's make that. Okay. Type of enum. And we don't need to make this like a global type. I don't believe we could do. Why not? Okay. I don't know where they're getting that. Okay. You should license the project. I think it already is like actually doesn't have a license currently. It's a very long name. So key extends string. Let's try that. enum keys. Okay, now we can make this a permission string in TypeScript. Let's see. Oh no. This could work. We can see. No, not quite. Heroku allows 1k hours if you pay for it, or if you verify your credit card. Do you also play any games? Yes. Fun fact, I was actually playing a game before this stream. Probably the reason why I haven't been streaming that much, to be completely honest. Yeah. And also, there's like no time in the day because I keep like going to bed at like 9 or 10 and then waking up at like 10 a.m. Like sleeping for half of it. What do you play? I was playing like a horror game. Yeah, I was playing a horror game. It's kind of like Among Us. I think you can guess what it is. I'm not gonna say, but it's like Among Us. That's a clue. Big clue. Vote for Lithuania. I don't know what Eurovision is, I'm afraid. I've never heard of it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the opposite of what we want. So key in general. So we're actually getting the number here, which we don't want. We want, so we're getting the numbers. But we actually want to get the string. Basically, us doing this just saves quite a lot of time and code quite a bit. Okay. I don't know. Key of enum. Okay. Key of all. Let's try that. Key of all. There we go. That's what we were after. Yeah, sometimes the internet is a bit slower answering questions, as we found out in this series. Sometimes it's better to solve problems yourself, so that's what we did. Permission types all. That's a string, right? Okay, so that is a kind of... yeah, that is a kind of weird thing. Okay. As number. There we go. That took way too long, but we're getting there. So invites, we're going to be able to delete an invite, so let's delete. So need a WS reference. So this .ws.emit. So I actually tested this. It's ready to go. So invite code is just ID. Like that. Cool. That's it. I'll recheck in a minute. Hold on. So, it's just talking about countries. Okay, it's fine. Invite delete. So when we delete an invite, well, we want to know what invite got deleted. So this dot invites dot splice. We want to get the index. Find index. And then we want to splice one of the index. Then put this in. And we should be good to go. Okay, so let's delete this. See what happens. Okay, maybe I didn't actually add delete. Like a noob. Okay, there we go. Let me recheck. Okay. So there we go, we've deleted an invite. And it's back. Okay. Maybe invite delete doesn't work. Okay. Oh my days. What is this? Why are we deleting a guild? Okay, I did not test this. That was a lie. I think. They were bad tests anyway. Oh my days. Guild member deletes invite. Default perms. No. Say default perms rejected. And then guild owner deletes invite. Fulfilled. Has managed guild perms. Fulfilled. Dot role give role. So give everyone perms. So you want to give everyone manage guild. Okay, this is a very bad test thing, so let's improve it. That's how it's done. It's a Middle East debate in chat. Interesting. Okay, we don't actually want to do that. Hold on. So we want just the invite.id. Okay, let's speedrun this. Hold on, result. Const result. I mean, we could do this where we await invite delete, so we get rid of it. But we need to specify the invite. Hold on. And now we can just get rid of all this and then make an invite. So we're only going to test this. So we're going to mock an invite with the guild ID. Okay. Cool. So now we don't have to create an invite everywhere. Okay, so we need to actually trigger this event, and then we see if the invite is null. Okay, the role, so role, oh, we saved a lot of code there, so role, yep. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay, so only one, missing permissions, manage guild. So, missing permissions, yeah, we need to give everyone manage guild perms, like this. Cool. So now, we need manage guild to be able to delete invites, because previously, the invites weren't deleted, and create invite, so pretty much anyone, by default, could delete invites. That's not good. Fix invite delete. There we go. And now when we delete an invite and refresh, it's gone. So that's cool. Maybe when we delete an invite, we can log that it's successfully deleted. Let's recheck. Okay, still going after it. So, so we log success that the invite was deleted. Maybe this is going to get a bit too annoying. If we... I don't know. Okay. Stream quality is 720p max, which is not optimal. That shouldn't be the case. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot going on with invite. Hold on, we have no invites. So when we have no invites, we're not done with invite management, first of all. So we also want to display some options, so when it expires, that'll be a good one. So let's do that. Almost done with invites. Okay, options, that will do. Let's do options and uses. Okay. Where should we put this? So we're gonna have a span. Stream chat, if tell me if this theme should be the default theme for Accord. So if it's better than this theme right here, it might be. We might use it as a default theme. Okay, I crashed something somehow. Yeah, there should be a show password thing, to be fair. Something died. Known users is not a function. Okay. Known users. Yeah, memory leak. I think also we can order the invites by uses. I think that would be pretty cool. Invite sorting we could do, but Linux is the best, right? It depends what you want to do. For streaming, it's pretty good, but for gaming, it's probably not worth it. Never tried it for gaming. Okay, hold on. Let me fix something. Okay, there we go. Epic Games. I'm not sure how well their games run on this. Okay, so I guess we can have like a row, and then we can have like columns everywhere. So col2, 6 columns. And then have this. Okay. We'll have delete over here. So we'll have uses. And then if there is max uses, we might want to increase this to 4. There we go. So if there is max uses, so invite.options invite.maxUsers. Then we're just going to have invite.users. Like that. And then over invite.maxUsers. Otherwise, we're just going to have invite.users. Oh. I think Angular's template engine is very, like, basic. And it doesn't know what template strings are. So uses string. So let's public get uses string and then return this. Options max uses, nearly messed that one up. Uses string invite. Have you tried Tailwind CSS before? I've tried like their box shadow and that's it. But I have not tried their actual library. So let's actually create an invite with max uses. That also expires at some point. I can't actually see that. Okay, uses out of 4, great. Okay, so that's cool. So we can also do yeah, so we can have max, like, we can have the options here. Now the problem is, if you are on a mobile device, it would look horrible. I think Discord has like a separate application for mobile. Mobile's going to be very hard to sort out. So we're going to do MD4 so that it collapses. Eventually we'll have mobile support, but for now, not anytime soon. I think it will require like a... The styling is the problem, not the actual API, just how it looks. So we're gonna have expires, and then when it expires, so Angular time left. Oh my days. What is this? Not scope pipe. see. Okay, now the problem with using these is the code is not perfect, so I'm gonna have to improvise. Time left. Ah, no, countdown. Module app. So, countdown. I'm gonna assume this all works, okay? To save time testing it. You don't want to spend extra time doing that. I mean, if it doesn't work, then it's not the best blog post. Okay, counter. What? Okay, it's not the best code, but it will do. If it works, it works. Okay. So, I'm going to assume this is a date that we get. Value any. Not looking good. There we go, no arguments, and that returns a string. Invite dot options dot expires at. Return value. If value, oh dear. Okay, so why are we returning the value? Return the counter. $51 ago. That's pretty accurate. No, it's not accurate. Expires just now. What? Interesting. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take a break, so like a 10-minute break, so thank you for watching and be right back. Okay. I am back. 15 minutes behind. Hold on. Which text stack are you using? The mean stack. Actually, it's more advanced than the mean stack. Hi, Devil Firefox again. Socket IO stack. It's like a SMEAN stack. It's a SMEAN stack. Or a means stack. Because it has socket IO in it. And socket IO actually is a huge component in this stack. It actually plays a bigger role in Express, therefore it deserves its own, like, letter. Okay. So this expires thing, we really need to fix this. You know what? Let's do some testing with Angular. Now, obviously we're going to have like hundreds of failing tests, but that's fine, that's fine. As long as they run. I can only see a black screen. Okay, thank you. Okay, there we go. You didn't miss anything, don't worry. Okay, for some reason this is like a VS Code window. Ah. Okay. Spec. I want to open every one that has VS Code open all files with name. Okay. Open matching dot spec star dot spec dot ts. Now we can look for errors, okay? I think I only made one test, like, that's it. The hard way of finding any errors. What? Didn't see any of them. Good. So these are all the tests that I don't actually look at. I only have a very small amount of tests. One of them probably has an error in it, hence why it isn't working, which is quite annoying for tests to do. Okay. No errors so far. Want to be able to run a few tests. Ah, we have found the error. Can activate null. Okay. Found another error. What? Existing user is not denied. Okay, these tests are just dumb. Okay, mocking. I don't like mocking things. We really don't need this. Just get rid of that. Let me recheck. Okay. Where is that? Huh? Premium directive. Oh yeah, premium directive is like a paywall. I don't think I'm gonna have any paywalls. We could have a paywall, but I think we're gonna not do pay to win like I've done with all other applications. It's just a failing thing. Directive. Premium. Directive. Is this all that remains? It is, isn't it? The only directive, and it's a test. Gone. Maybe one day we'll use these tests, but testing the client is way less important than testing, well, not way less, just less important than testing the API, because the API is the core behind everything. We don't want to mess that up. Because you can use accord without accord. I'm just going to call it accord, not accord. You can use accord without actually using the website with code. Also, if the website is fully tested, but the API is fully broken everywhere, then that's gonna negatively affect all these tests as well, so we don't want that. Good. Now let's try testing. Oh, now we're getting some tests. Brilliant. So this is what they use, what is used for testing Angular. Is it crashed? No. I haven't used this much, to be honest. But we want to make sure everything works well. No provider for activated route. That is very annoying to have to add providers. Now I know what we can do. Angular new provided. Okay, I know a way to fix this, I believe. So what we do, we just provide the entire app module. It might be a bit slower, but it saves a lot of pain, which is ultimately better. So let's say WS service is playing up. Let's just count how many tests are failing. So we're getting 45 failures. Oh, make your mind up. Okay, let's just do it not in a random order. It's on and off. 46, so we're not going below 45. So let's fix that. So everything with a constructor, like without the default constructor, is throwing an error. So yeah. WS service. That's annoying. Let's have another one for this. Okay. We can test this again. I know I've never actually streamed testing Angular before. No. Angular provide module. Test provide module. Like, they recommend you, like, put in every service manually to provide it. Nah, not happening, mate. That takes a lot more. It takes a lot more development time and testing time to make sure all the providers, like HTTP service, is like fully working. So we just provide the app module, and theoretically it works. Okay, I'm going to do this in more places. Okay, so it's actually imports. Let's just import everything. So they recommend you do this, but that's dumb. Although it is faster, takes a lot more pain. Uh, 43 failures, so that might have gone down. Yeah, something's gone down, which is good. So we can open all of them. Or in spec.ts. We can do imports. And just imports app module. There we go. And we just import the app module. Now we open all of the files. Spec.ts. Oh. And we get loads of errors. And this should fix loads of tests. Good. I'm gonna have to speedrun these. I'm not sure if we need to import anything there, but okay. Okay, so these should be more accurate. So we're going to use these. So we also need to import everything here. Some of them we don't actually need to import them. Only if we're using a constructor. Okay, hold on. Okay, after we've done this, we're gonna add channel notifications to decline. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. So we're getting a lot done today. I didn't see any chat messages, so chat might be dead. Okay, that might be more successful in working. It might not be. Let's see. There might be the errors somewhere. Okay, now. What? Sign up component. Okay, so some of them we still need to import app module, like that. Spec.ts. Okay, we're gonna go through them again. Nope. Yep. Login component. Yeah, I'm gonna assume we need that. Invite. Yep. Oh, invite component. We need to add invites. Add invites. Invite URL. First of all, let's see if this is actually doing anything. Is this working? Oh my days. User settings. Let's just focus on one. No. Why is it doing it in a random order? No, stop. Okay. I'm gonna stop this in a minute, because this is dumb. Okay. I didn't see any with an error. None of them with an error. Oh, some of them with an error, that's why. App module. Okay, if this doesn't work, it doesn't matter. At least we've put it in a position to work. Yeah, doesn't matter. Hold on. invites. What? Invite comp. Oh, why? Oh, okay. So I think I found a solution. Providers. No. So let's open these. Avert the crisis. And then, so we replace imports in all these files. See what happens. Competitor gilded. Yes. Could you show me the front end if you don't mind? It looks like this at the minute. That's some of it. For some reason when I click on settings it crashes the browser, which is not great. Not the best. Okay, so for the website I'm still going to test a bit, but only a few places, otherwise the release date is in 2077 at this point. Otherwise it's just no point in making a Discord clone if we're just going to test all the time. Okay. Home component. Ah, okay, declarations. I think we can get rid of that. Maybe we'll see if we can delete that or not. Okay. It might also have a new line, hold on. What? Hold on. Does that even work? Interesting. Angular no provider for test. Not a good fix. Imports. We've just done that. Guild settings. Okay, we're not fixing all of these, to be honest. We only want to test one, so I think we fixed the test so that they run. That's enough. Okay, cool. I'm new here. Welcome, really secure. What are you doing? I was just testing the front end, which is probably my weakness when it comes to Angular. But we only want to test some, test only. Let's see if that works. Okay, so we're making a countdown for the invite component. That's where we were making this, so it shows a countdown display, how much time is left until the invite expires. That's what we're trying to do. And to make sure it works as intended, because last time when we did a timestamp, it worked like I copied it from the internet and it didn't work. Which is very interesting. So in that case, we're going to actually test. Fix tests. We're going to make sure it works. Okay, so pipes are very easy to test, so that is good. Cool. So pipe, new countdown pipe, cool. We don't even need that. Best developer ever, nope. Not even close. Yeah, so this code is garbage. Let's get rid of this. Sorry to whoever made it. So set interval. Okay. Yeah, that does work, but that will do. We only want it to display a static time. Or we could just not make a countdown. And just say when it expires and just save a lot of pain. And yeah. There we go. Not quite. Oh no. Okay. So, it either expires at a date or never. Okay, so last but not least, I think that's it actually. Hold on. Entity types, invite. So we can have when it was created, why not? And that's it, that'll do. Now, for some reason, the getters aren't actually working. I don't know why, but they're not. So this will return promise lean invite. Okay, never mind. See if that fixes things. Did you complete profile with badges? Not yet. Hello, Super Slice. Hello, Roblox Studio. Okay. So we have a mongoose problem at the minute. Mongoose find by ID. Not getters. This does not work. I think I've tried that many times. What? Okay. Almost. So we actually get this error, cannot convert string to big int. That might be here actually. So what we are converting, it could be this. Could have 0. Hold on, we could pass int the string. Strange. Ah, we have something, but it's not good. So it was an error with this function actually. So recheck. Okay. Const snowflake. We're actually passing in a snowflake when we do that. Yeah. Well, any string, and then we just use a snowflake. So pass int. I guess we should pass in a number, so that makes more sense. That isn't gonna work. Cannot convert string to a big int. I'm doing it wrong basically, that's what I want to do. Okay, let's see what happens when we do it the normal way. And we're gonna look in the console, see if we find anything. Cannot convert that to a big int. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, so this is an invite code. We're trying to use a snowflake. This is just a random string, so that's just... Okay. Type date. Default new date. Okay, so problem solved. Fix invites. Cool. Okay, so these are still going to be like incomplete. So, oh, that is loud. Sorry if that was too loud. Tell me if that was too loud actually, and I'll turn it down. For me it was. Okay. Oh. Brilliant. Wait, that's not good enough. Date to... sorry if I'm being dumb. Okay. So... we want something like this, where there's a time and a date, so that the server manager just knows what is going on. Maybe this long. Or medium. Okay. I think short is better. Oh no, medium. There we go. And we're gonna increase that to an MD. Actually, we don't need to do that. Yeah, that will do. That will do. Okay, be right back. 5 minutes. think that was 5 minutes. Hopefully it was. Okay, I'm gonna read chat. Let's see. When will you start working on D-Bots list? Probably after first release of Accord. He is back alive. That's correct. Yeah. Who do we have here? We have Mr. Falcon. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Alex. Okay. Hello. We have the ability to add like an icon here. I haven't added that properly. Add icon. These are secondary, by the way, objectives. Okay, so we've done the invite management. Brilliant. Let's do the... Hold on, have we actually finished? Yeah, we have. Cool. So, let's make an invite so we can verify. I know this doesn't look the best, how this escape is right here. But there we go. Let's get our friend in here. Okay, what happened there? Let me just write this down. Okay, brilliant. What? Just disappeared. Interesting. What? Okay. I don't know why it's not working. So we're getting these errors, are we? I can't see any errors anymore. I don't know where they've gone. Interesting. Don't know why they're hidden. There they are. Okay. Cannot read status. Scroll top. Member list. So cannot read everything pretty much, and then it just boots us out. Okay. Why is that? Let's remove this. Okay, so delete, invite delete tests. Now guild member add tests. This is what we want. Cool. So what are we going to do? Well, we actually want to make sure this works, so we're going to test it. Guild member add tests. So we only want to do this. Now here's a good explanation of why that failed. These tests are failing. So that's a start. Let's log user guilds and then exit. So that means the populated one. That's interesting. Yeah. To be length. I think I found a problem with this. So the invite, we're mocking an invite for the guild. The client user is already in the guild. It's kind of pointless. So now hold on, the GitHub declone API thing fails for me. How so? I haven't updated this in a while though. Are you ever gonna release it? Yes. We're actually close to a release, but there's a few bugs that need to be fixed. A few features to be added, not too many. Sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, there should be two, and we should be using a new user to actually do this. Now the client user, const user. So we want to mock a new user, and then we want that user to join the guild. So So that's what we're going to do. So once we mocked a user, we type sessions.set user ID, client ID, sorry, and then user ID. And now this is the client user that is logged into Accord or Accord. Okay, so don't actually need an invite here. Cool. So bot users cannot actually join with an invite. That is one thing to note. Valid invite code is bot user rejected duplicate key. Oh, not this again. What's this? Generate snowflake at gmail.com. Where is this? So is bot user rejected? Okay, so we need an email for a bot user. Again, fix me. Okay, let's look at the chat. Cannot find module release R2. Okay, that might be an NPM problem. Is there a way to get a badge? There was a channel in your Discord. Is there a way to get a badge? I've actually got rid of the badges. There's actually a working decline version that's very old. Decline.glitchme. But obviously it's called Accord now, so... Well, it's not that obvious, but it is called Accord. Guild member add. 52. Okay. So it's not actually adding to the user guild, that is the issue. Now this isn't working. So let's try... Oh, no. Okay, so we're gonna push the guilds, and we're gonna push guild. Cool. Now I don't think that's gonna work, but it's worth a try. Not entirely sure what just happened. Okay, it's been very strange. Nope. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna log the old and then the new value. And then we're gonna exit. Okay. I don't know why that is. Okay. So if something doesn't work, we can type kill 9, like that. For some reason, if we exit the process, it glitches, and it just stays online, which is very annoying. I'm not sure why it exited there, but it did. Okay. Okay. Let's read chat. Why did you learn to do this? The internet, pretty much. Can you release the new API today? Maybe. I can push the changes, that'll probably be good. Yeah. Maybe. Okay, it's just breaking for some dumb reason. Member list. User is undefined. Okay. Okay, unknown user. One user that was doing that. So it seems this user did join the guild, but something went wrong somewhere. Now That could be here. We could push the member ID. We could try again. So it happened twice with the same user, which is weird. Okay. The website feels really glitchy, to be honest. Even though the API is very well tested. Okay, we did something. What? Oh no, the app crashed, didn't it? Oh, okay. Never mind. So when the user joined a guild, it just left it. That's weird. What? Okay. Yeah, I certainly need to test this website. Because everything I do just doesn't work. It feels like it keeps breaking. Yeah. Could do with quite a bit of testing. Probably amount to like 100,000 lines of code by the time we're done. Okay. Let's fix bots. Bots is broken for some reason. Okay. Bot list 22. Okay. Huh? Walls of undefined. Okay. Where's this permission service? Yeah, my brain is not working. I think I've had too much sugar. I drank one hot chocolate. Probably the worst thing you can drink on the stream if you want it to go well. My brain just doesn't solve problems when I eat too much sugar. It just... I don't know what it does. It just doesn't do anything. Okay. I don't really plan on ending the stream soon, but I think I'm gonna have to take a break, but a longer break. So let's go over what we've added so far. I could end the stream and then start a new one when I'm ready. That's what I could do. Or I could just pause it. I might just pause it. So, yeah. Be right back for like quite a long time, probably 20 to 30 minutes, or I might just end it. Okay.